So you have entered Yuja through one of your former or current courses. That means you're in instructor mode, so you'll be able to access all the features. If you ever want to go back to the course you're recording from, you can always select the course name up here in the top left. Since our purpose today is to create a recording, I'm going to come over here to the Create Recording, and I'm going to click on that. I get a little message that pops up that asks me if I want to start. It also cautions me that if I'm a first-time user and I haven't recorded anything before on this device, that I may need to download and install some software to run in the background. Since I've already done that, I'm simply going to select the Start button. What pops up now is a frame where you can make all kinds of selections to control the video you're about to create. This particular screen is one that you'll want to move out of sight when you actually start your recording. So right here we have the video button. I access the drop-down menu and it says, do I want to display the video source? Sometimes you want a video where it's just you on the screen. Sometimes you want a video where it's you and your desktop. And sometimes you just want the desktop. And you have a choice of which particular camera you might have available to you to select from as well. So I'm going to select no, and you'll no longer see me because I just want a video that displays my screen. I also have choices in terms of audio. If I have an external headset, I might want to use the microphone there, or perhaps I have a lavalier mic. And so you can access your microphone sources by using the drop-down menu here. I'm just going to stick with my in-computer device. You also have a choice because sometimes it's just all about you and you want to be the only person on screen or the only thing we're looking at. And so then you can choose to have your screen source with advanced settings. Now, the advanced settings are handy for those of you who are working on two screens. Right now I'm on my single primary source, but I also have a secondary source available to me. So I can choose which view I want to make the recording of. And I'm going to close this out. So if I wanted just my picture to be on the screen, I could simply select video and no screen. So you have quite a bit of control as to what's going to be viewed. But again, we want to move this particular frame out of the way. And so I am going to hit the Start button, and then I'm going to slide this to the other screen or behind whatever it is that I'm going to be recording. So I'm going to click my Start button now. I get a 3-second countdown. I get a recording screen, and now I'm looking at what it is that I want to record. And right now it's just a picture of the Yuja page. A couple of things that I can point out to you here would be that this particular button is very handy as it allows you to access help from Yuja, from support. And they have some wonderful videos. They have telephone access for support as well too. So that makes it very convenient. So now at this point, I have finished my recording and I'm simply going to select to end the recording at this point. Then what I can do after I've ended my recording is to come up here and we'll see, let's say that this was the video that I just finished recording. This one's in progress, so you can't do much with that. But for this one, I could come up here and select the More button. Now that menu disappears, but when I mouse over, I can select More. I've already personalized this particular recording as a recording in Yuja, so I don't have to change the title, but you can always adapt and change the titles. The other thing that's important to find would be on the links button. And when I open the links button, I have a choice again. I can choose to embed my videos by using HTML code, which is provided for you here, or I could choose to just simply copy a direct link and use that as well. At some point, you may want to have a script of your video. In order to access that, you'll come down here to the accessibility button. And all of your videos in Yuja, since you are entering as an instructor, are automatically closed captioned. So you don't have to do anything to make that happen. What you do have to be aware of is that your Yuja video will take a bit of time to process. Your captions will take much longer to process. So when you're able to view your video, your captions might not initially be available. It may take an hour or more for the captions to catch up. But the other thing that you're able to do then is you can also get a transcript if you wish as well. And so that's always handy to have. So I'm going to close this window and conclude this video on how to record in Yuja. Once I've got this video finished, then I can put my link into any Blackboard document and the video will play from there. Hope this helps you. Let me know what you need more help on. Thanks.